Hey, how's you going, Martin? For theblueslab.com. I hope you're doing well. Today I bring you this idea of rhythm guitar to play over a shuffle, yeah? This is a shuffle in the key of A, and I will show you this useful, for me it's a really useful way to comping the shuffle, yes? So let's go for it. Well, you can see my guitar now. Shuffling A, usually it's A, D, and E, yeah, the three chords. And if you are in a jam, or if you are playing with other musicians, yeah, usually, okay, yeah, that's my shuffle in the key of. I go to the fourth, back to the one, to the 5, 4, yes, and the turnaround. So that's great. Other possibility is to play power chords. F, D, yeah, 5, 4, 1, yeah. But that's great. But remember, if you are in a jam or rehearsal context, and if the band there's a bass, yeah, a drum, and maybe another guitar, yeah. So what I found, this way of playing the shuffle, it's a really nice way when you have, as I told you, in a band context. A, that's my A, yeah? That's my D. E, D, and turn around, yeah? So what I am doing here, I am playing A major triad, D major triad, and that's a G major with my pinky on the root, yeah? I don't play it, my pinky, I don't put it in the G there. Anyways, I have my G here, yeah? So it's A, D over A. You can hear it with my over. G over A. And we create that shuffle bouncing, yeah? Yeah? Then when I go to the 4th degree, which is D in this case, I play D major triad. I play G, yeah, that's my my root of this triad. And then I play C triad again over D, 3 chords, 3 triads over the blues chord, yeah. Over A, we have A again, we have D, and we have G. Over D, we have D, we have G, C. And the same mechanics over the 5th degree. Over E, I have E, A, D. So if I play it, it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Well, I hope you like this lesson. Just you need to sit down. If you use a metronome in 2 and 4, this is going to sound super tight and nice, yeah. Well, thank you very much. Remember, you can follow me on my Instagram, on my Telegram channel. You can find all the links in the description of this video. And see you soon. Thank you.